Welcome back to my YouTube channel Rishu Fashion. How are you, my dear subscriber, my dear viewers? I have many prayers for you guys. May God fulfill your life with happiness and prosperity. Hello friends, in this video I will show you the best and new stylish woman watch. These watches are very beautiful and awesome. Hope this video is useful for you guys. If you like my video, please like and share and comment on my YouTube channel. So dear friends, in this video you will see the stylish and most beautiful outstanding new styles of watches. All watches are very beautiful and awesome and in new styles. All watches are available on any online store. My dear friends, I always try to be useful and new stylish content for you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and share with your friends, family members. Today I will be showing you the worldwide best fashion. So my friend, please watch my video till the end and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Today you can see the different stylish ladies watch you can wear in this types of watch in different parties and different occasions and wedding. Please my friend, watch my video till the end and never missing of any design of any video. Also don't forget to clicking the bell icon. After clicking the bell icon, you will see all the notification of my latest video. I want to tell you that about my channel. In this channel I will show you the very beautiful and awesome collections of watches. These watches are very beautiful and awesome. Please friends, support me and help me. I want to tell you that I am not selling the product of any styles of watch. So this video is only made for you. So please friends, support me and subscribe my YouTube channel. In this video you will see the amazing and new stylish content and new styles of watch, the branded watches and very beautiful designs of new watches. You can wear these types of watches on parties, wedding functions, informal functions. These watches will be available on any online store. You can buy it easily from any online shop. Friend, in this video I will show you the best and new styles of ideas. So friend, watch my video till the end. You can see different stylish trending fashions. If you can wear these types of watch looking yourself in the mirror, I promise you cannot stop yourself to telling you, oh, I am looking so pretty, so beautiful. These watch are specially for you guys, for try to buy it and wear it. I always tried my best to something new for you. These types of watches are looking very beautiful, gorgeous and attractive for those ladies who like the fashion. You can see different styles of watch of 2023 and 2024. You can wear these watches in official parties and in official function. All these stylish and trending types of watches for those ladies who like the latest fashion. Also friend, don't to support me and subscribe my YouTube channel Rishu Fashion. You can find hundreds of new design and hundreds of new ideas daily on my YouTube channel. I would like to introduce about my channel. In my channel I will give you the new and stylish ideas of watches, which is about the latest and trending watches ideas for all over the world that make your personality more charming and attractive. If you are a fashion lover looking for the latest new styles of ideas, then this is place for you. So friends, sit back, relax and let us help to find the perfect do you for big event. In this video you will see the different and stylish, beautiful, most attractive types of watches. Watches are the fashion accessory and it's made to use a variety of the purpose. They come in different styles, size and material. Some popular styles includes are very in chains and in belts. The material used to make the watches can be the range for the leathers to conveys to synthetic material. Watches can be expensive, but there are also affordable options are available. It's important to choose a type of watch that is both functional and functionable. Do you have any specific questions or preference about the watches? Watches collections can be a great way to express your personal style and add some variety of your wardrobe. It makes your personality more charming and attractive. A good collection should include a mix of styles, colors, and material to suit to different occasions and outfits. Some popular styles of consider includes the in chains and in leather belts. It also important to consider the materials of the watches. Leather is a popular choice for it the durability and timeless look, but synthetic material can also convex and also good options when buildings are the collection. It's important to choose the types of watches that are both functional and functionable. You don't want to sacrifice particularly for in the style, but you are also don't want to carry a type of watch that don't match your outfit or personal taste. In this video you will see different and stylish and beautiful collection of watch. I hope you like guys my videos, and please hit the like button. I will show you the best and new styles of watches, so friend, watch my video till the end. You can see different and beautiful types of watches. If you can wear these types of watches, looking yourself very beautiful, very attractive. Like and share our video. If you have something to say, just drop us a comment. Thanks for watching our video, for subscribing, and for your comment.